Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Broj Shetty and you're watching Wednesday Wisdom. Yes. What if I tell you India has its own Illuminati? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's a conspiracy theory that we have. So today we are going to talk 5 different conspiracy theories of India that you probably didn't knew or it's not explored much. Starting with number 1, India has its own Illuminati. Its own Illuminati known as Nine Unknown Men. So nine unknown men is a secret society which was created or which was organized by Ashoka. Yes, it was organized by Ashoka in 2070 BC. It was an organization created to preserve all the knowledge which would be harmful for humanity. मतलब ये सब preserve करते थे उन knowledges को जो humanity के लिए शायद problem हो सकता है and which will be very dangerous. मतलब उनके लिए बहुत dangerous हो सकता है ये knowledge उनके पास आना. They used to preserve these kind of information. Just like I didn't said it. तूने देखा तो पता नहीं but I didn't said it. I hope you understand. Number 2. Did a nuclear bomb testing cause tsunami in 2004? So there is a conspiracy about tsunami 2000 which happened in 2004 which killed nearly 230 people and which was affected in 14 countries. This tsunami happened in Indian Ocean. मतलब Indian Ocean में जब ये tsunami हुआ था around 2 से 2.5 लाख लोगों की जान गई. And it is said that this tsunami happened because of a nuclear bomb testing. तो एक न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब टेस्टिंग की वजह से ये सुनामी हुआ था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a very bad way to project if this has really happened because of a nuclear bomb testing. You never know, anything is possible in this country or in this world. Number 3, the curious case of Lal Bahadur Shastri. So who don't know who's Lal Bahadur Shastri or who's living under a rock or probably you have never been told about him. He is the second Prime Minister of India. He was a part of White Revolution. He was a part of Green Revolution. But still we don't talk about him. And fun fact, his birthday is on 2nd of October. Yes, but we only celebrate Gandhiji's birthday. That is okay. But we should also celebrate his birthday because he has also done some great things in our country. Yes. So his case is he went to another country and died because of heart attack supposedly. There was no postmortem done about it. Okay, he was just brought directly and there are 2 different reports. So if you want to know more about the subject, there is a book called Who Killed Shastri by Bloomsbury and there is also a movie called Tasket File. Very good movie. It's in I think Z. I'll just put it somewhere here and you can actually check out that movie. It's a wonderful movie. It was not promoted so the movie didn't got that much of recognition but later on when it was supposed to leave the theaters it got full. There was a lot of people who wanted to watch that movie. I also watched recently in this lockdown. अगर आपको टाइम मिले आप ये मूवी देखो, आप समझो कि यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था and it is still a mystery that who killed Shastri. Number 4, you might probably know the death of Subhash Chandra Bose is still a conspiracy. No one knows did he die, did he didn't die, and there is also said that Lal Bahadur Shastri was gone to bring back Subhash Chandra Bose. It is said that I am not sure. It is said in the movie. You can actually check it out. There is a photo where you can see Subhash Chandra Bose. If that's real or no, I don't know. I am just saying. I'm just putting it down. You should check out the trailer of Tasket File. You should definitely check out the trailer of Tasket File. So the death of Subhash Chandra Bose has been a mystery for a long time. It's still not clear because nobody found his body. It was a plane crash. It was very difficult to find a body if he's died or no. No one knows about it. So that's a conspiracy. I think we all know. Everybody knows about it. That's a biggest conspiracy of this country. And the latest conspiracy theory is a very last one is a very sad one for me. I really love this actor. Murder or suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput. There's a lot of things going around that story. I am not going to talk about it a lot, but it is still a conspiracy. What has actually happened with him is still not solved. I hope we get any justice to him if it was happened in a wrong way to him. I hope we get justice for him. And that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, share it with your friends so that they know that we do this every Wednesday. I hope to see you Friday. If you like vlogs, you can come on Friday, like 2 days later. I hope to see you on Friday. Peace.